Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com. For the last few years, we've been bringing you recipes, tips, and techniques on the weekly basis. And lately, our team has been combing through the archives to pick out some of our favorites. Now I want to get into making some turkey stock. Now this turkey stock's really perfect for making your turkey gravy when it comes time to do that. But what we're going to be using it for is a little bit later in this video, we're going to make a sausage stuffing. First, we're going to make our mirepoix, which is essentially 2 parts onion to 1 part carrot and 1 part celery. The great thing about stock is you don't have to be very pretty with your cuts, and you can go fairly large. Looks like about 2 to 1 to 1. So on top of this, we're gonna need some aromatics. This is parsley stems. We got some fresh thyme, a couple of bay leaves, and then about a tablespoon of black peppercorns. Before we throw everything into the pot, I wanna take the backbone and the neck, chop them down into some more manageable sized pieces that we can sear off first to create some fond in the bottom of that pan. I don't need the excess fat from this skin to be in my stock, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. The stock pot is super hot right now. I'm gonna put down just a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna get these pieces in here to begin to sear. See, as we get that nice sear on each one, we'll kind of turn these around. That way we can get that sear on all sides. All right, for the moment, I'm going to take these turkey parts out so that we can get our mirepoix in here and scrape up some of the fond off the bottom of this pot. You can see that nice color in there. That's gonna add a lot of flavor to our stock. What's happening right now is some of that moisture is leaking out of these vegetables, and it's gonna start to break up that fond on the bottom. Now, if you take a wooden spoon with a nice flat side on it, you can help work that process a little faster. So a lot of times you might use a little liquid to help kind of deglaze the pan, but as you can see, there's enough liquid down there coming out of these veggies that we're getting all the fond off the bottom. So I'm gonna let this just continue to work, sweat these veggies until those onions are translucent, and then we'll add in our turkey again, as well as our aromatics and our water. That's 1 gallon of water in there, and I'm gonna gently simmer that, very gently, until it's reduced by half, which is gonna take several hours. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to thesauce.atbbq.com. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.